A good camping lantern is an essential outdoor tool that serves multiple purposes. It provides valuable illumination for cooking, enhances the experience of nightly camp activities, and contributes to creating a cozy outdoor ambiance. The GoL Zero Lighthouse 600 is an impressive camping lantern, especially for those who prioritize brightness and versatility. Its 600 lumen output is indeed remarkable for illuminating larger areas such as picnic tables during late-night activities. The ability to recharge the battery via USB or hand crank adds convenience and makes it a reliable option for emergency situations, doubling as a power bank for other devices. However, its weight and bulkiness may limit its suitability for backpacking trips where lightweight and compact gear is essential. Additionally, the concern about the outer light cover being brittle raises durability considerations, especially in outdoor environments where accidental drops or impacts are common. The UST 60-day LED lantern DURO is an exceptional camping lantern, especially considering its impressive performance across multiple categories. With a remarkable output of 1,200 lumens, it provides ample brightness to illuminate large areas, making it ideal for various outdoor activities and emergencies. Moreover, its outstanding battery life of 60 days using 4D batteries ensures long-lasting reliability, which is crucial for extended camping trips or emergency situations where power sources may be limited. The combination of high brightness and long battery life makes the UST 60-day LED lantern DURO a standout option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and powerful lighting solution. Snow Peak GigaPower Lantern, a compact and versatile lighting solution that's perfect for your outdoor adventures. Designed to run on isobutane, just like your favorite backpacking stove, this little lantern packs a punch while taking up minimal room in your gear. Weighing in at just 4.6 ounces and measuring approximately 3.75 inches around, the GigaPower lantern is the ideal addition to your camp table when it's time for dinner. Despite its small size, it boasts an impressive maximum output of around 400 lumens, providing plenty of brightness to complete all your camp chores. One of the standout features of this lantern is its fuel efficiency. Running on stove fuel means you can utilize depleted canisters that are too low for cooking, minimizing waste and maximizing convenience. Crafted from machined aluminum with brass fittings, and featuring a glass globe held in place by a stainless steel cage, this lantern is built to withstand rugged outdoor use. Lucy Base Light, your ultimate companion for the rugged trails and backcountry adventures. With a maximum output of 360 lumens, this powerhouse of a lantern ensures that no corner of your campsite remains unlit, providing you with ample illumination for all your outdoor needs. What truly sets the Lucy Base Light apart is its impressive battery life of up to 50 hours on the low setting, ensuring that it keeps shining bright throughout your extended hiking trips. And when the battery eventually runs low, fear not. You can easily recharge it using either the integrated solar panel or via USB, giving you the flexibility to power up wherever you are. Equipped with low, medium, high, and flashing modes, the Lucy Base Light offers versatility to adapt to any situation or preference. Its durable construction can withstand up to 150 pounds of pressure, ensuring it can keep up with the demands of the trail without faltering. LEDlenser ML6, the ultimate companion for your nocturnal adventures and camping escapades. Engineered to excel not only as a regular camping lantern but also as a reliable red light source, the ML6 offers unparalleled versatility and functionality to elevate your outdoor experience. Equipped with a variety of modes, including dimmable, boost, blink, strobe, pulse, and SOS, the ML6 ensures you have the perfect lighting option for every situation. Whether you're preserving your night vision, seeking nocturnal wildlife, or signaling for help in an emergency, this lantern has you covered. The SOS mode even emits pulses that spell out SOS in Morse code, providing a vital lifeline in critical situations. Even when not in use, the ML6 remains highly visible thanks to its fluorescent accents, making it easier to locate in low light conditions.